The United States Medical Licensing Examination, USMLE, is a crucial step for medical students and graduates aiming to practice medicine in the United States. To excel in this challenging exam, it's essential to approach USMLE practice questions strategically. Here are some effective tips and strategies to help you master USMLE practice questions and boost your chances of success. The USMLE is divided into 3 steps, each focusing on different aspects of medical knowledge and clinical skills. Familiarize yourself with the format of each step. Step 1. Assesses basic science knowledge. Step 2. CK, clinical knowledge, evaluates clinical science knowledge. Step 3. Tests clinical management and patient care skills. Knowing the structure and content of each step helps in tailoring your practice and study plan accordingly. Select reputable resources for your practice questions. Some highly recommended sources include UWorld, known for its high-quality question bank that mimics the actual exam. Kaplan Bank offers comprehensive explanations and references. NBME Practice Exams provides a realistic simulation of the actual exam. First Aid for the USMLE, an excellent resource for reviewing high-yield topics. Consistency is key when preparing for the USMLE. Develop a study schedule that allocates sufficient time for each subject area, ensuring that you cover all topics comprehensively. Regularly include practice questions in your schedule to reinforce learning and identify areas that need improvement. Engage in active learning techniques while working through practice questions. This includes self-explanation, explain the reasoning behind each answer choice to yourself. Annotation, take notes and highlight key points as you go through explanations. Review mistakes, spend extra time understanding why you got a question wrong and review the relevant material. To build stamina and reduce exam day anxiety, simulate exam conditions during practice sessions. This involves timed practice, complete sets of practice questions within a specified time limit. Quiet environment, study in a distraction-free environment similar to the actual exam setting. Full-length practice tests, take full-length practice exams periodically to gauge your progress and adjust your study plan accordingly. Identify and prioritize high-yield topics that are frequently tested on the USMLE. These topics often include core concepts in pathology, pharmacology, physiology, and clinical sciences. Resources like First Aid for the USMLE can help pinpoint these areas. Engage with peers through study groups and online forums. Discussing difficult questions and sharing insights can enhance your understanding and provide different perspectives on challenging topics. Popular forums include Reddit's or USMLE, a community for sharing resources, tips, and support. Student Doctor Network, SDN, a platform for medical students and professionals to discuss exam strategies. Preparing for the USMLE is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay positive, maintain a balanced routine, and take care of your physical and mental health. Consistent effort and a positive mindset are crucial for overcoming challenges and achieving success. By following these strategies, you can effectively tackle USMLE practice questions, build your confidence, and improve your performance on exam day. Good luck!